we are going to continue the chapter adjectives. Now we'll start with nouns as adjectives. Adjectives are words that are used to describe a noun. A noun also functions as an adjective when it precedes a noun that it modifies. Precedes means when it comes before that noun which it qualifies. Take a look at this sentence. Our English teacher was absent yesterday. English teacher. Both the nouns are there. But the teacher, which is this description of the English teacher is being talked about. The noun English precedes the noun teacher and is used as an adjective. Let us consider some examples. Sid wants strawberry ice cream. Here the noun strawberry acts as describing word. Which ice cream? Strawberry. For the kind of ice cream. Shreen likes to have an apple pie. Here the noun apple acts as a describing word for the kind of pie. Kaisi pie? Apple pie. Boat race. Race of boats. Chocolate soup. Shop. Shop selling chocolates. Tennis ball. Ball for playing tennis. Water bottle. Bottle for storing water. Now the following are the rules for the usage of nouns as adjectives. When two nouns are used together in a sentence, then the first noun acts as the adjective and the second one acts as the noun. Nouns as adjectives are always placed before the second noun in a sentence which they describe. For example, mango juice. Mango is the noun as adjective and juice is noun. They are used in singular form. Toothbrush or toothbrushes. The plural nouns, when used as adjectives, are also treated as singular. Example, sports article or sports articles. There are three ways for writing nouns as adjective. As two separate words, school, bag. As hyphenated word. Hyphenated means there is a dash in between. Ice cream. And as one word, football. Now, nouns and adjectives are always emphasized on when speaking. Emphasize जोर दिया जाता है. In the word headmaster, the noun head is emphasized. Headmaster. You can use more than one noun as adjectives to describe a noun. India cricket team coach. That noun as adjective, cricket, and noun as coach. You can also combine adjectives with the noun as an adjective to better describe a noun. Cute baby doll. Cute adjective, baby doll. Now take a look at the following tables. Clever, teacher. Small, office. Black, horse. Nouns and adjectives and nouns. Nouns and adjectives, history. Noun, teacher. Ticket, office. Race, horse. Look at some more examples of noun as adjectives. The cat has blue eyes. Noun as an adjective, blue. Eyes, noun. Apple juice is good for health. Apple is a noun which acts as adjective and juice is the noun. Sita ate a big onion sandwich for breakfast. Big onion, noun as adjective and sandwich, noun. My cousin got a toy car for his birthday. That is, toy is the adjective and car is the noun. Now, next one is participle adjectives. What are participle adjectives? A participle is a verb that ends in ing or ed and is used both as verb and adjective. It may be also called a verbal adjective. Running down the stairs, Sam opened the door. Now running, ing is added, participle. Having lost my pen, I went to buy a new pen. Having is the participle. Now participle adjectives are divided types of adjectives which have the same form as the participle of a verb. A rolling stone gathers no moss. No moss. Participle adjective noun stone. He had a worried look on his face. Worried participle adjective and look is the noun. Now take a look at this sentence. We saw a girl carrying a bucket of water. There are two types of participle adjectives, present participles and past participles. Both present participles and past participles can be used as adjectives. Now let us discuss them in detail. First one, participle adjectives, present participle and example, look at the dancing girl. The participles which end in ing and represent an ongoing action, dancing. She is dancing, the action is going on, are called present participles. Past participle example, Roy was the most learned man among the peers. The participle which represent a completed action are called past participle. What are they called? They are called past participles. The part which represent a completed action are called past participles. They usually end with ed, d, t, en or n. Now we'll discuss the difference between present and past participle. Present participle adjectives are active and are used to denote a particular effect. An amusing incident occurred today. Past participle are passive and are used to mean affected in a particular way. A tired traveler was walking down the street. He was tired, he had to manage that. Participle adjectives look like verbs, but they are really adjectives. Their function is to describe nouns. English teacher class. I enjoy English class at school as it is very interesting. So class and participle adjective is interesting and class is the noun. Do not wear tattered dress. Tattered participle adjective. Now let us look at some more examples of participle adjectives. My vacation at Himachal Pradesh was an amazing experience. Amazing is participle adjective and that is participle adjective present participle. The frightened children quietly opened the door. They are participle adjectives and past participle. E and N-E-D is frightened, ed is added, in that ing is there. I don't enjoy watching depressing movies. That is participle adjective, present participle. He was shocked to see his damaged car. Damaged, past participle. Now this was for your English class today.